there, it's Uncle Laurie here. Yes, I'm back with another shave video, and today is Wednesday evening actually. Wednesday the, what was it, 27th of March? Yes, 27th of March. And we're doing another legacy shave. Well, it's sort of legacy. They've been around for a long time, making brushes. You may have heard of them, Omega. Yes, Omega. They also do some soaps. And this is their recent soap brand called, what's it? Via Barberia. And this is the Aqua Shaving Cream. Comes in a nice box. And inside the box is a nice tin. Called Aqua, and in the tin it's actually plastic lined, so you could actually, you know, do your lathering within the tin if you wanted to. It's a firmish soap actually. For a cream it's quite firm, so we'll give it a try. I've never tried this before, so we'll use our normal quarter teaspoon and see how it goes. What else we're using? We're going with an Aussie brush, the Fuko Australia, what's it called? Emerald Fireworks. It's got a Banksia knot down the centre of it. No, not Banksia flower. Right down the centre, embedded in the resin. And some sparkles in there as well. I don't know whether you see that. It's a lovely brush, and in that I've got a Synbad knot from AP Shave, 26mm, set to what have I got it set to? A 55mm loft. So I'll just stick that in my mug to get wet. Doesn't need to soak, being a synthetic, and we'll use that in a minute. What else are we using? We're using our normal midweek bowl, the Whispers from the Woods bowl. And I think that's it. Oh, the razor, of course. Of course, you can't shave without a razor. We're going with the Yaqi Tachi stainless steel head, and I'm using the aluminium handle, Razzo light handle it's called, also from Yaqi. And the blade we're using in that is the Lord stainless steel saloon blade, one of these. So this is a single edge razor. You can see the blade exposure there. It's got a blade gap around 1mm. So I have used it before, but it's been a while, so we'll see how we go. Alright, let's get the pre-shave on. Which is the Natio smooth shave gel we're using. I don't think for much longer. It's very low now. I keep saying that every week, but there still squirts a little bit more out. It's actually a lovely autumn day today, around about 20 degrees top temperature, which is about right for this time of year. Now, dropping down to just below 10 overnight. Alright then, we'll go and produce the lather. Okay then, we're all ready to go here. Already got that shave cream. It is a bit creamy when you squash it down into the bowl.
even though it has sort of a firm texture to the top. So I'll just grab my brush, give it a squeeze, a shake, and we'll get started.
Okay, I'm back from making that lather. Let's have a quick look at it. Very nice. Got a good scent strength, mid-range, not overpowering or anything, so you know, 5, 6 out of 10 on the scent strength. A lovely Italian, I would call it an Italian aquatic. So I'll just re-wet the face before I put that on. And then put some little bit of alum on my fingers. Lovely. Yes, I'll call it 6 out of 10 on the scent strength. Now, lovely lather on the face. It was nice. Okay, here we go with the Tachi with the Razzo light handle. I can feel the blade. I'm keeping the angle towards the cap. I'll call it just above medium aggression for me. You can feel the blade And it's knocking down that 2 days growth I have. No nicks yet, which is even better. Okay, second pass. The Synbad is a lovely soft knot. If you like soft knots, this is a good one to get. And I like soft knots. Lovely coverage there. Okay, across the grain. Nice and efficient, as we expect from a 1mm blade gap. And that's almost done. Very efficient. But I can feel the blade. So I've got to be gentle. And also make sure I stretch the skin because there's a lot of old wrinkles in it. Okay, good job so far. No blood showing. No, I don't see any. Alright, rinse, or rinse. Well, sort of a rinse. Bit more alum. Lovely leather. It's good slickness. I wouldn't call it the slickest of soaps. Okay. Just want to go as light as I can on this last pass. Well, hopefully last pass. Felt something there. There might be a little bit of blood coming. So I'm right on the cap now. Yeah, not the slickers of soaps. Okay. Yeah, you see I didn't nick myself there? I'll call that just a little bit under the jawline there. I don't think the blade's as sharp as well, so that doesn't help. It's alright, that'll do. Yep, that's wonderful, that'll do. I'll rinse that off, do the quick arm test. See if I've got any irritations. Wet the almond block. Oh yes, there's a few irritations. About 3 out of 10. Down the neckline there. Cheeks are fine. Yeah, 2, 3 out of 10 on that neck. Cheeks are fine. It's just the lower neck. Nothing more than 3 though. Nothing too bad. Okay. going to put a bit extra around the stinging areas. Okay, just leave that a second or two and we'll rinse that off. Okay, as we normally do, I use the leftover leather as a face wash or moisturiser, whatever you want to call it, before I have my shower. There's plenty of leather left over. Lovely scent though. Alright, put this on, go and have a shower and come back for the post shave. Okay, back from the shower and lovely clean shave. Well, not too clean, there's a weeper there. And just a slight irritation on the neck, but not a lot. It looks pretty good. So I'll probably try a different blade on the next shave and see how it goes. Alright then, let's get the pre or post shave, which we're starting off with the little bit of imperial bergamot that's left. Still enough for another shave. And follow that up with the Natio aftershave balm, calming aftershave balm, which has got a bit of lemon, if I can get any out, lemon citrus scent. There's only a little bit left, so that's enough. Very nice. The neck, as we normally do, top of the head, and the final ingredient is blue stratus. I'll call it a sort of a fougere type scent, aromatic. Very nice though. Yeah. Okay. So I would say the Omega, not as good as the soaps I had last week. So the Hasslinger and the version 2024 Mitchell Wolfat, I would say it's better than this. Slicker and has that nice creamy soap feel left on the skin. Okay, we'll catch you on my next shave.